Hello students, today we are going to learn quadratic equation graph, how to draw graph for the quadratic equation. You know what is called quadratic equation? There is an x square, the example is x square plus 3x minus 2. Now we can equalize to a variable that is called y. Now how to draw graph for this equation? So it should be two variable because it is a graph on Cartesian plane, so that it can pass through x-axis and y-axis. Now choose numbers like 0, 1, -1, 2, -2, etc. Now let x be 0. We will start with the simple one. So take the equation, substitute 0, 0 square plus 3 into 0 minus 2, the value is 2. So x comma y or 0 comma minus 2. This is one coordinate point. Same way, choose x is equal to 1. Y equal to x square plus 3x minus 2. Y is equal to 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 2. Therefore, this of all addition, you will get 2. Therefore, x comma y is equal to 1 comma 2. This is the second coordinate point. Likewise, x is equal to -1. You will get another coordinate point. Likewise, we have finished 0, plus 1, minus 1. Next, go to the plus 2 and solve it. Find the y value. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 8. The same method we are repeating several times with the several values of x. If you choose x value something, you will get y value other. So you go for the least values of the x. Probably you will get the related least values of y. Now here x comma y is equal to 2 comma 8, we got it. This is the fourth coordinate point. And in the same way, x is equal to -2, choose and substitute and simplify, you will get another coordinate point. So now take plus 3, you will get this coordinate point, 3 comma 16, and x is equal to -3. If you choose, you will get y value -2. X comma y is equal to -3 comma -2, and 4 x is equal to 4. You will get this one. X is equal to plus -4. You will get a plus 2. So likewise, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to remember one thing. For linear equation, you need just 2 points. For the quadratic equation, minimum of 5 required. If you take 7, 9, then there is no problem. Whatever it may be, minimum 5 points are required. Now with these coordinate points, I am going to draw the quadratic curve or quadratic equation graph. Now construct a Cartesian plane and make division. You need full paper. The half graph sheet is not required. Actually, you need full graph paper, and you can make divisions like that. Equal units for x positive, x negative, y positive, y negative. Actually, the points are, I want to write 0 comma minus 2, 1 comma 2, minus 1 comma minus 4, 2 comma 8, minus 2 comma minus 4, 3 comma 16, and minus 3 comma minus 2, 4 comma 26, minus 4 comma 2. Now plot each of the coordinate point on the Cartesian plane. 0 comma minus 2. The first one always refers to x-axis and the next one refers to y-axis. 0, this is the 0. Minus 2 of y-axis. This could be the minus 2 of y-axis. Next, 1 comma 2. So plus 1 comma plus 2. This could be. So I have finished this one, I have finished this one. Minus 1 comma minus 4. This is minus 1 comma minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I am doing approximately, I have not divided the division equally. 2 comma 8. This is 2. Probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This could be the next point. And minus 2 comma minus 4. This is minus 2 of x-axis and minus 4 of y-axis. This could be. Next, 3 comma 16. X-axis is 3 and 16 of y-axis. Therefore, this is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Probably this could be the point. And next one, minus 3 comma minus 2. This is minus 3 and minus 2. This could be minus 3 comma minus 2. And 4 comma 26 plus 4 comma 26 is above that. I could not draw this one. And minus 4 comma 2. This is minus 4 comma plus 2. This could be. So if you see this one, listen carefully. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the ninth one I left because it is a 26, I cannot draw it. So if you join with your free hand, you should not join with the scale like one to the another, one to the another. You should not draw with the free hand. You will get a curve like this, U-shaped curve. Therefore, just take this point and next point and next point and next point, another, like that. This will be the curve. You can get it. And this is a quadratic equation. If it is a quadratic equation, we can have two roots. I already explained the two roots, alpha and beta, and the solution. These two are called the solution of the quadratic equation. This U-shaped curve where it touch x-axis, that one could be the alpha, and where it touch the another time of the x-axis on return, then it could be the another root, that is maybe beta. So this U-shaped curve will touch x-axis at two places. The 2 points or the two roots, that is called alpha and beta. We will check some other problems. Now I am going to give you as an assignment. Practice is required for graph. I have given you, I have shown you. So assignment number 6, I think. First question, x square minus x minus 2. Solve this one, find the roots, alpha and beta, and draw the curve, quadratic curve. And you can match algebraically and graphically. And the second question is x square plus x minus 2. For this also, these two problems are very simple. you can solve them mathematically, and you can find alpha and beta. In the same way, you can draw quadratic curve. That's all. Thank you.